To set up your new CapTel phone in one-line mode, first, plug the AC adapter cord into the power jack at the back of the CapTel. Plug the other end into an electrical outlet. Next, plug the telephone line that came with your new phone into the telephone jack labeled Line 1 on the back of the CapTel 800. Plug the other end into your telephone wall outlet. If you have call waiting service through your phone company, you need to set a call waiting block in the CapTel menu. Otherwise, incoming calls may interrupt your captions. To set a call waiting block with the handset hung up, press the Yes button to see options. Press the Down button repeatedly until Settings is highlighted. Press the Yes button to select. Check that Caption Settings is highlighted. Press the Yes button to select. Press the Down button repeatedly until Block Call Waiting is highlighted. Press the Yes button to select. Use the dialing pad to enter the number you need to block call waiting. Check your local phone book for the correct code to use in your area. Use the Down button for a backspace and the Up button to add a 2-second delay. When the number is entered, press the Yes button to save. Then, press the No button repeatedly to exit. Please note that the call waiting block only applies to caption calls. You can still enjoy the call waiting feature during non-caption calls. You're ready to start calling.